Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the phone and removing any SIM or memory cards so you don't short anything. Use a small Phillips or tri-point driver, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and a parts tray. A magnifier helps. Once done, loosen exterior screws and gently pry the back or display using a spudger. Apply steady pressure at the seams to avoid cracking. Make sure to note screw sizes and locations as you remove them, because correct reassembly depends on that organization. You should disconnect the battery first to prevent shorts while you work on the board. Locate the charging jack, determine whether it's soldered to the motherboard or on a replaceable flex cable. This dictates your approach. Carefully clean around the jack with isopropyl 90% and a soft brush to reveal damage, then inspect solder joints and pins for fractures, lifted pads, or corrosion. If joints look cracked, plan to reflow or remove the jack. If pins are bent, you may be able to straighten them. When ready, reflow cracked solder joints with a fine soldering iron and quality flux. Heat just enough to remelt existing solder and avoid board damage. If the jack is irreparable, desolder it carefully and install the replacement or swap the flex cable, making sure pads align. Once soldering and cleaning are complete, reconnect the battery and test charging and data transfer before sealing the phone. If it still fails, check for bent pins, damaged traces, or a faulty cable. Those are the most common remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.